using the Countdown Multisensory Memorization tool. To access Countdown, log into your account and click on the Countdown icon in your school list, or if you have a personal subscription, click on Countdown in the sidebar. Next, click on the green Practice button for the assignment you would like to practice. Project your screen so that your students can see it, and turn up the volume so that your students can hear the chime. Have your students take out a sheet of paper and a pencil. Once you are ready to begin, click on the Start button. As soon as you do, the assignment will begin. Have your students write down the fact while you say it, and have them say it with you. Each fact will appear on the screen with a chime. You can pause, resume, shuffle, or restart the assignment at any time using the controls in the bottom right-hand corner. When the assignment is complete, you will see the Practice Complete message and you can exit the program.